In this video, let's see how to do descriptive statistics of data. In order to understand the distribution of data, we need to find out some statistical like mean, median, mode of the data. So, how to do it using Excel? So, in order to get the descriptive statistics of the data, simple. If you want to get the descriptive statistics of the average price, first select the average price. Okay, then go to Data tab. There you will have the data analysis tool. Click on that. In that you have descriptive statistics. Then click on that, hit OK. Then it asks for the input range. So my input range is the average price. I will select it. Then it asks whether your column has the heading. Yes, my column has the heading. Label in the first row. Yeah, I click on here. Then I want summary statistics of this data. Then I click on summary statistics. Then I hit OK. Then your descriptive statistics of average price is here. So it gives like the result like mean of the data, standard error, median, mode, standard deviation, sample variance, kurtosis, skewness, range. By this information, you can understand how data is distributed. For example, in my data average price is 22 and the median of my average price column is 21. The mode is 50, means most repeated value. Median is the middle value. Mean is the average, and the variance, skewness, how data is distributed, the right skewed or left skewed, or the range of the data, then what is the minimum of the average price, what is the maximum, what is the sum, how many data rows are there. Here I'm getting 5, no 6. So this is about creating a descriptive statistics for the single column. So if you want to get the descriptive statistics of this whole data set, the process is simple. Same, go to data and data analysis toolpack. If you are not getting data analysis toolpack in the data, you have to go to file and option, then click on add-ins. Then here, there you get the data analysis. Then click on. Then after that you will get over here. Go to. So how to do is for the whole table. Go to same data descriptive statistics in data analysis. Click OK. While selecting the range, you have to select from here to whole table. Okay, I selected whole table. Then again label in the first row, yes, and summary. You want summary statistics. Then click on that. Then hit OK. I get the summary statistics, descriptive statistics for whole data. So it giving the heading of mean median for every range. So what I will do is I will select this. Okay, I selected this and I move this, sorry, move this one to next. Then I will delete all this extra by pressing Ctrl and select, 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 select. Then I want to delete. Oh, I'm not able to delete that. So let's delete one by one. Okay. First delete, then here delete, then this one delete, then this one delete, this one delete, this one delete, and I delete all the extra that mean median heading. Delete, finally delete. So here is my data. So it is not according to the size of the data. So I will select all, then Alt H O I. It will auto fit my data column according to my data. So here we'll get the descriptive statistics for all your column like crime rate, age, index, and NOx and average price, all that. So this is how you can get the descriptive statistics for all the column. Thank you.